Today, we're diving into the world of saffron tea and uncovering its incredible health benefits. Saffron tea has been a staple in traditional medicine and cooking for centuries, thanks to its unique properties. So, what exactly is saffron tea? Saffron is a spice derived from the Crocus sativus flower, known for its vibrant color and distinct flavor. To make saffron tea, simply steep a few saffron threads in hot water and let the magic happen. Now, let's address the common health issues many of us face daily. From stress and anxiety to digestive issues, saffron tea has the potential to help alleviate these problems. Its antioxidant properties can boost immunity, while its mood-enhancing effects can promote relaxation and well-being. Let's delve into the 13 health benefits of saffron tea that will truly amaze you. Rich in antioxidants. Saffron tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including crocin, crocetin, safranol, and kaempferol. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Crocin and crocetin are particularly effective in improving mood, memory, and learning ability, while safranol contributes to saffron's distinctive aroma and has potential neuroprotective properties. How it works. Antioxidants in saffron tea help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and many chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, saffron tea helps protect your cells from damage and supports overall health. Enhances mood and alleviates depression. Saffron tea is known for its mood-boosting properties. Compounds in saffron, such as safranol and crocin, have antidepressant effects and can help alleviate symptoms of mild to moderate depression. Drinking saffron tea regularly can enhance your mood, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. How it works. Saffron affects the levels of certain chemicals in the brain, including serotonin, which plays a key role in regulating mood. By increasing serotonin levels, saffron can help improve mood and alleviate depressive symptoms. Supports heart health. Saffron tea contains compounds that can benefit your cardiovascular system. Crocetin, one of the active compounds in saffron, helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of saffron help protect the heart by preventing oxidative damage to heart cells. How it works. Crocetin helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues, which is essential for maintaining heart health. By lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation, saffron tea supports a healthy cardiovascular system. Aids in digestion. Saffron tea has been traditionally used to aid digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal issues. It can help soothe the stomach, reduce gas, and relieve bloating. The anti-inflammatory properties of saffron also contribute to a healthy digestive system. How it works. Saffron stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, promoting overall digestive health. Boosts immunity. Regular consumption of saffron tea can help strengthen your immune system. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in saffron boost the body's natural defense mechanisms, helping to protect against infections and illnesses. How it works. The antioxidants in saffron help enhance the immune response by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. This supports the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Improves eye health. Saffron tea is beneficial for eye health due to its high content of antioxidants, particularly crocin. These compounds help protect the retina and lens from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. How it works. Crocin and other antioxidants in saffron help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to vision problems and eye diseases. By reducing inflammation and improving blood flow to the eyes, saffron tea supports overall eye health. Enhances cognitive function. Saffron tea has been shown to enhance cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. The antioxidants in saffron help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, improving memory, learning, and overall cognitive performance. How it works. Saffron's neuroprotective properties help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, supporting healthy brain function. Compounds like crocin and safranol have been shown to improve cognitive performance and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Promotes weight loss. Saffron tea can aid in weight loss by reducing appetite and curbing cravings. Compounds in saffron help regulate the production of serotonin, which plays a role in appetite control. By increasing serotonin levels, saffron can help reduce hunger and prevent overeating. How it works. Saffron affects the levels of serotonin in the brain, which helps regulate mood and appetite. By increasing serotonin levels, saffron can help reduce cravings and promote feelings of fullness, supporting weight loss efforts. Reduces menstrual discomfort. Saffron tea has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual discomfort and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. The anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties of saffron help reduce pain, cramps, and other symptoms associated with menstruation. How it works. Saffron's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and pain associated with menstrual cramps. Its antispasmodic effects help relax the muscles of the uterus, reducing cramps and discomfort. Supports respiratory health. Saffron tea can help improve respiratory health by reducing inflammation and clearing congestion. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of saffron help soothe the respiratory tract and alleviate symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. How it works. Saffron helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. Its antioxidant properties help protect the lungs from oxidative damage, supporting overall respiratory health. Enhances skin health. Saffron tea can benefit your skin by reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy complexion. The antioxidants in saffron help protect the skin from oxidative damage, while its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness, irritation, and acne. How it works. Saffron's antioxidants help protect the skin from free radicals and environmental damage, promoting a healthy and youthful complexion. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and irritation, supporting overall skin health. Promotes better sleep. Saffron tea can help improve sleep quality and alleviate insomnia. Compounds in saffron such as saffronol have sedative effects and can help promote relaxation and improve sleep. How it works. Saffron affects the levels of certain chemicals in the brain, including serotonin, which plays a key role in regulating sleep. By increasing serotonin levels, saffron can help improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of insomnia. May have anti-cancer properties. Saffron tea contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in saffron help protect cells from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cancer. Some studies have also shown that saffron can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. How it works. The antioxidants in saffron help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which are key factors in the development of cancer. Compounds like crocin and saffronol have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis. In conclusion, saffron tea is a delicious and aromatic beverage that offers a multitude of health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its mood-enhancing effects, saffron tea can significantly improve your health and well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your mood, or enhance your cognitive function, saffron tea is a wonderful addition to your daily routine. With its rich history and proven health benefits, saffron truly lives up to its reputation as the golden spice. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful beverage, reach for a cup of saffron tea and enjoy the myriad benefits it has to offer. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.